Hey guys, hopefully this video finds you all well. Today's video is going to be a mixture of some beauty, a little bit, and my son's getting pictures again. He's got a new attachment to his camera. We'll show that at the end of the video. And today is Kit's birthday. He is 1 year old today. Now, does that mean I can't call him Puppy no more? Now, I probably show, well, the beauty is going to be different today. We're here at the Ohio River in Lawrenceburg, Indiana. We're just looking for things for him to get shots of on his camera, because the new attachment is for him to zoom in, and he's going to be trying that attachment. And pretty much so today's video is I'm going to be walking around with him, maybe getting some other things on here, and talking about Kit being 1 year old. Now, would it be silly if I still call him a puppy? We are at the beginning of the Dearborn County walking trail. We will not be walking this. As you can see, the clouds. Yeah, we had some major thunderstorms this morning, and we got more on the way in the next couple hours. I actually was going to fish today, believe it or not, from 6 to about almost 9 o'clock at night, but we got these storms moving in. And 1 second. Yeah. This is where they're supposed to be building that Riverwalk. It doesn't look like they started on it yet. But right up here is the beautiful, beautiful Ohio. I'm going to get that real quick. Hang on, guys. They're supposed to be putting a Riverwalk in up yonder there, but the beautiful Ohio. Oh my gosh. Oh, that wind's probably having its way with my audio. From here, we're going to head over to a little bridge that I've gotten on video many times and get some shots there. Then from there, we'll probably head back towards that way. We'll probably head west. Okay, we are at a different location. I forgot this on video many years back, y'all. Back when I was a brand new YouTuber. And I came over here about a month ago to get it on video, but there's a lot of kayakers. Big stories about this place. But we're gonna get up here. It's a lot of mud. Dame's going, I'm hoping he finds some wildlife, some birds and whatnot. But let me show you what we used to call the dry fort. One time there actually was a road going from here straight across right over that way. This used to be one of the most popular fishing holes in all of southeastern Indiana. Oh yes. Today it's just used for kayakers, probably still fishermen, and that's pretty much it. Mr. Kid here ain't gonna get that much of a walk today because we're still keeping an eye out in the sky. And normally I do my walks early in the morning with him, but it was storming. But yeah, I thought I'd bring Dame down here, let him get some pictures. From here, as long as it doesn't storm, we're gonna head to the Triple Whipple Bridge. And yeah, maybe Kid get a little bit of walking there, but yeah. This is what we call, as locals here, the dry fort. I'll kind of give a pan around, and I'll mention a few things to you about the locals around here. Do you know, if you're coming up from Cincinnati or anywhere else, some of our places around here, you will pronounce them a little different than we do. You take Vivi, for example, okay? Us locals call it Vivi. Everybody else that's not locals calls it Vive. It's actually spelled, looks like Vive, but it's always going to be Vivi to us. You take Versailles for as a matter of fact. Oh, my sinuses are kicking in. If you're not a local, you're going to call it Versailles. But we call it Versailles. I do imagine probably soon them crops to be growing some more crops over there. Now the road coming in here, it's pretty good shape except the very beginning of it. And since we've had a lot of rain this morning, them big huge gigantic potholes were filled with water. So I took the chance by taking the Defiant through it. I took that chance only because we was here a month ago and it wasn't too deep then to come through here. So alright guys, I'll tell you what, I will pick it up again when we get to the Triple Whipple Bridge. Yeah, see you then. I haven't done a lot of talking about Kid, have I? Well, we will now. Oh, I got dog hair on my microphone cover. But anyway, come on, Kid. We are at the Triple Whipple Bridge, which you see behind me. Yeah! Let's walk to the other side. Angie and I was here the other day to see if it was feasible to walk down the hill here and do some fishing. And if I think about it, well, I may not remember, but it wasn't feasible because it would be really difficult to get down in there. But anyway, yeah, we was here the other day. Well, Mr. Kid, do you feel 1 year old, huh? Do you feel one? This might make a good thumbnail right here. Hey, Kid, do you feel like you're 1 year old? Is it okay if I still call you puppy, huh? Whoops. Try to move it up a little bit. And we'll go ahead and get this shot right here. The Triple Whipple Bridge, y'all. I guess it's okay to start calling him puppy still, right? He's still my puppy. He always will be my puppy, but 1 year old, man. 1 year old. It almost doesn't seem like he's one. Okay, let's get some shots of this beautiful creek. Okay, I'm gonna kind of tilt the camera up as I move it a little bit. Well, I did it too fast. Beautiful, isn't it? Wow. See, I would give anything to be able to fish right down there on that shoreline. Now, right over there, that's all private property. I believe the cemetery owns all that. But wow, look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Believe it or not, I have fished here before, but let me show you where. You see that bridge right there in the distance? We're talking about, ooh, 32 years ago, I used to fish underneath that bridge. Yeah, that's where I used to fish at, but you can't get underneath there anymore. You can probably, maybe, but there's nowhere to park your car or anything like that, and yeah, I don't think it's feasible. I really don't. But wow, this is beautiful. I am very thankful they, you know, redid this bridge years ago. Trust me, this bridge was so unsafe at one time. If you walk through it, you'll be afraid you'll fall through the floorboards. I do feel bad about Kit turning 1 today because it's a weekday for me right now. I do feel bad about that because I don't have him any presents. And of course, I don't have anything. I kind of do, but these are the things he chews on when he goes fishing. So what Angie and I figured we'd do is, and there's a guy sitting up on his Jeep, so I won't go too close. So I figured what we'd do is we'll wait till this weekend. Don't know if we're gonna be able to go fishing this weekend. We got storms, but we're gonna play it by ear. If not, we just drive around, maybe look for another cemetery or whatever. And plus, Sunday is free fishing day here in Indiana. And believe me, you'd be lucky to find a place to fish. But we figured we will celebrate his birthday then. Maybe then we might get him something like a big old chewy bone or something. And maybe a toy that we know he will destroy in moments. At least he will enjoy that part of it. One more shot of this beautiful creek. I'm actually holding back purposely. The guy that was sitting on his Jeep is now walking up. I'm gonna see if he wants to talk. Yeah. He's a year old, yeah. 1 year old. He's been awful bad this morning. I think I forgot to mention this the next day. Yeah. Yesterday, as my son Damien and I was on the bridge, it started sprinkling, so we didn't think anything of it, thinking, well, maybe to stop by the time we get to the next location, but it didn't. We had a nice little shower, so I wrapped it up. And then dark came, and all night last night, severe thunderstorms. Oh, I am so sick of hearing that tornado siren. But I'm glad they did blow it 4 or 5 different times. And tonight we're not out of it yet. This actually later this afternoon is supposed to kick back up again. Severe thunderstorms. But guys, this has been today's video, and real quick before I go any further, I've been fishing quite a bit, but I have not been putting them on video. I will put some on video here and there, but right here, that's my last biggest fish I caught. I've caught multiple fish, but that's a halfway decent sized carp. So that's why I'm sharing that one. Sometimes I will videotape when I'm fishing, sometimes I won't. And the reason the times I won't, because I'm too busy keeping an eye on Kit, and I don't know. I want to, it seems boring to me, because that's all I'm going to do is like, yep, I'm catching them, I'm not catching them. I want to at least put more to them. You understand? You know what I mean? Didn't do anything special for his birthday. We'll probably do something this weekend. Maybe something special. Get away from there. I don't know if that might be poison. That is poison ivy right there, Kit. Stay the heck away from that stuff. No, 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 no. Sorry, Bubby, but that's, I believe that's poison ivy. 3 leaves, leave it be. And that's 3 leaves right yonder there. Yeah, that's appears to be poison ivy. Come on, let's get away from that, Bubby. Do not know what I'm doing. My next couple days I will have off. I have no clue. All depends on the weather. But I will do something. So guys, until the next video, come on, let's get out of here. And thank you so much for watching. Leave comments down below if you want. And yeah, we'll see you soon. We'll see you in a couple of days or something. All right, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.